All right, this gentleman here is already ready to dance. He just finished a 4-level fusion, prior fusion at L45, L5S1, and we took all the hardware out and we did the 2 adjacent levels. How you feeling?
Dizzy.
A little dizzy, okay, all right. Well, you just had general anesthesia. All right, other than that, how are the legs working?
This one's sore.
A little sore, okay. That's probably from laying down on the table for a few hours. All right, well, everything went great. Where are you headed now?
Home.
You're gonna go home?
Yeah.
All right. You wanna show us a little footloose action? Nice.
You can look at me.
All right. Are you smiling? Is that a smile I see?
Yeah.
They said you'd dance with me.
Yeah, you got a pretty lady right there who wants to
Yeah.
dance.
They said you would dance with me.
All right, everything
good.
went good. Ready to go home.